Most homeowners do not know what they can and cannot claim when it comes to their roof. So today I'm going to help you understand this subject a little more in depth and obviously how you can save your money. You're welcome. Welcome everybody to Energy Advantage. So today we're going to talk about roof warranty, what you can and cannot claim when it comes to your roof. Before we get into it, I always just like to remind our viewers that I have a ton of videos on roofing and solar on this channel. So I do recommend that you go and check them out because, you know, it's nice to know. It's nice to get a little bit more information when it comes to these subjects. First thing we need to establish is that there are two main types of warranties when it comes to your roof. We have manufacturer's warranty and we have workmanship warranty. The workmanship warranty has everything to do with the contractor. This warranty covers anything related to your roof, your home, and your property, such as furnishing and personal effects. Not only that, but labor cost, any material that needs to be replaced, and installation. Basically, any mistakes made by the contractor. This is why it really does depend on the type of contractor that you hire. So, it's really important that you do your research on this one. The other reason why this is so important is because your workmanship warranty can actually have an effect on your manufacturer's warranty. So, obviously hiring a licensed and registered contractor will make all the difference. The workmanship warranty has the ability to call back the original contractor to fix any issues or any mistakes that they have made on your roof. And sometimes those mistakes do not show up for a year or two after they have fixed your roof. Once again, depending on the contractor, but this warranty on average should last 5 years. Manufacturer's warranty is all about the types of materials that you choose to have your roof installed. This type of warranty, however, does not cover the cost of repair associated with installation failure, which is why a workmanship warranty is necessary from whoever installed your roof. Therefore, you want to have both. The manufacturer warranty on average is between 25 to 30 years, obviously depending on the type of material, the grade of material, and you can even pay for a warranty extension, which can even go up to 50 years. Common manufacturer warranty will cover hail. Should your home be located in a hail-prone area, you want to make sure that your warranties cover for hail damage. So what do you need to look out for on your roof when it comes to making a claim when it comes to hail damage? Shingles bruised or cracked, tiles cracked and or out of place, metal cracked, dented, or rust. Wind damage. Damage caused by high winds is another common issue. What you want to look out for when it comes to your contractor and of course manufacturer is to find out what wind speed you're covered for. Now, for instance, if your home is located in a high wind or hurricane prone area, you may want to look into wind gust upgrade warranty or purchase or upgrade a much stronger, more durable material to avoid any of these issues. So when it comes to wind damage, what are the signs that you need to look out for when it comes to making a claim? Shingles, missing, loose, or cracked. Tiles moved out of place. Metal, bent. Leaks. Roof leaks can become a much bigger problem if they're not dealt with as soon as possible. Both warranties will cover labor and material costs when it comes to roof leaks, as long as the circumstances of the cause of the roof leak fall under certain requirements. So you want to ask your contractor about this one and understand what your warranty does and does not cover. For example, a roof warranty may not cover a leak repair if the damage was caused by a fire or an earthquake. What are the signs you can look out for when it comes to roof leaks? Shingles, missing, cracked, or loose. Tiles, cracked and or out of place. Metal, gaps between metal and corners. So what affects your warranty? First thing is the contractor that you hire. Obviously, the better the contractor, the more qualified, the better it is. Your environment. Now, if you live in an area with extreme climate, your warranty may not cover for as long as if you would in a more moderate climate. Also, it comes down to the materials that you choose. As of course, there are many different types of materials and different grades for each one of these materials. Now, if you live in an extreme environment, of course, you want to choose a high grade material because that protects not just your home, but of course, it upgrades your warranties. Now, to understand a little bit more about this topic, I have actually made a video on roofing and the best roofing materials for your environment. So I do highly recommend that you go and check that video out. So as I mentioned, the types of material, whether you choose shingles, tiles, metal, all of these will have an impact. And finally, the manufacturer company that you hire. Every company will have their own perks. So of course, you just want to do a little research on that one. But once again, if you hire a great contractor, they will work in conjunction with great companies. Therefore, you know you're getting great quality materials. So what do warranties not cover? Acts of God, unauthorized alterations or repairs, unlicensed contractors, gutters overflowing, buildup of debris. Now, these are just some of the things that can affect your warranty. So it's important that you do your research and of course, take proper care of your roof. What am I responsible for to maintain my roof warranty? Most roof warranties actually do require regular roof inspections, especially if the roof is over 5 years old. Lack of regular maintenance can lead to issues that will not be covered by warranty due to neglect. You simply want to make sure that your roof is taken care of. A simple repair can make all the difference when it comes to having your warranty approved or denied. The other thing you really want to make sure is that you report any issues within a certain amount of time, such as a roof leak or shingles that are loose or tiles that are missing. The sooner you make your claim, the better, especially after a major storm or an environment event that can potentially harm your roof. For instance, a typical roof warranty will actually require you to report a roof leak within 30 days. However, realistically, you want to report the damage like ASAP. Should you wait too long to report this, well, then your warranty can actually be voided. How does this process work when it comes to warranty? The first thing you want to do is to call a qualified roofer to come and inspect your roof and basically let you know if there are or aren't any issues with your roof. The other thing that you can do is contact the insurance company directly yourself. What they will do is that they will send out an adjuster who will, of course, assess your roof. You will then be given a claim number and, if approved, the necessary steps to make the repairs will then be taken. Leave a comment below and let me know of any videos you would like me to make about roofing and solar. As always, don't forget to show us some love and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and of course, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can always go to the description box below for more information, or of course, you can go to our website. Have a good day.